Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming a grocery haul. I just made a huge trip to the grocery store to restock literally everything. I've been out of town, so we have no food at the apartment, but I thought I would show you guys a updated, healthy grocery haul. I used to do these quite often when I lived in LA. I'll link some more down below if you guys would like to see. I think I've done one at Trader Joe's, another one at Smart and Final. This grocery haul is gonna be from H-E-B, which is kind of like a Myers, which would be like Midwest, or a Kroger. So I thought I would show you guys my healthy grocery haul, but still like college kid grocery haul, because you know, we all have like some snacks we need to get, and like you can't not buy ramen. That's like an essential. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. If you're new here, you should definitely hit the subscribe button and join the fam, and give it a big thumbs up if you're excited for this video. But I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into the grocery haul. Okay, first we're gonna start with produce. I have these reusable produce bags from the Container Store. So that's what I use for all my produce when I go to the store. I always use reusable bags. It's just easier to carry in and out, and also you're saving the planet. What I got are 2 yellow onions, and then I also got 1 red onion, and then I got 1 poblano and 2 jalapenos because we're gonna make some salsa, and then I also got a cucumber. And then I went ahead and bought some romaine. We like to make lettuce wrap, like tacos, but in lettuce, you know, instead of tortillas, because it's healthier and it just tastes really good. So I got a bunch of romaine hearts. And then I also got these sweet mini peppers for stuffed peppers. We're gonna do like stuffed mini ones. Absolutely delicious, so I got a bag of those. And then I also got 1 sweet potato and 1 spaghetti squash, because we also love to do spaghetti squash just like regular spaghetti minus the noodles. Add the squash, it's a lot healthier. And then I also got 1 pound of ground beef, and then 1 thing of chicken breast, and this is all natural, no antibiotics, no hormones, none of that, just regular old chicken breast. And then moving on, I got some cheeses. So I got shredded mozzarella, and then I also got shredded Parmesan, because we are going to make homemade Alfredo one night, and so we need some of that. And then I also got a little bit of butter. This is pure Irish butter, literally 100% pure. It's a little bit pricey, but I really love the way it tastes when you cook with it. And then I also got a tiny little heavy whipping cream, because we use this when we make like our tortellini soup. I have all these recipes. If you guys like to see me and my roommate cook, let me know in the comments below, because we love to cook, especially Sarah. She's so good at cooking, and we have all of these great recipes that are super easy, and some of them are healthy and some of them aren't. So if you guys like to see them, let me know in the comments below. And then I also got a bunch of coffee, because Sarah and I are definitely coffee addicts. So I just get the Starbucks iced coffee. This is their medium roast unsweetened. And then we also really love this creamer, and this is dairy-free almond milk creamer from the brand Khalifa Farms, the best one. I got it in vanilla. It's 15 calories per serving. It's incredible, and it's pretty sweet for being like a little bit healthier for you than regular creamer, so I really like it. And then I really try and eat healthy most of the time, but if I want a little treat or kind of a sweet at night, I've been obsessed with these Good Pops, and they're only like 120 calories a piece, which is amazing, and they taste so incredible. But I don't know, they're just amazing. They're dairy-free and gluten-free, and they're delicious. I got coconut lime, and then I also got chocolate milk, because I figured that would be a good one to try. I've never tried this one, but I've tried the coconut lime, and I'm obsessed. Next, I got a pack of avocados, because you guys know I'm addicted to my avocado toast, so I just got a 3-pack. I don't eat it as much as I used to. I'm trying not to eat so much avocado toast, but still love it. One of my staples for sure. I also just got 2 mangoes for our mango salsa that Sarah and I are going to make. And then I picked up some bananas, and I usually get them pretty green so that, you know, through the week as we eat them, they get riper and taste better, and it doesn't go bad as fast. So got some bananas. And then lastly for fruit, I just got a pack of strawberries, a pack of blackberries, and then I also got I can't talk. And then I also got a pack of raspberries. And then upon Sarah's request, I got a bunch of ramen, and this is just the regular chicken flavor. When you get lazy, sometimes you just need to eat one of these and call it good for the night. So got some ramen. I also got a pack of oatmeal. This is just the instant oatmeal, maple and brown sugar. This is really easy and quick in the morning before work. And then I also got a bunch of tomato sauce, because we make our own meat sauce when we do the stuffed spaghetti squash. so I got literally just cans of tomato sauce. Next, I got a ton of salad kits. So I got the Southwest salad kit. Usually I can eat this about like 2 times and I'll take it to work. So easy and quick and delicious. And then I also got a Tuscan herb salad mix, and then I also got a cracked pepper Caesar salad mix. And then for snacking, I got a bunch of veggies. So I just got a giant thing of mini cut and peeled carrots, and then I got some broccoli. I love raw broccoli, it's so delicious. So got me a pack of that. I know Sarah won't eat that, but I will. Next, I also just got some cheese and some turkey for sandwiches for lunches too. Again, Sarah and I work all the time, so stuff like this is like literally ideal and is the best thing to have for us. And then of course I had to get a pack of tortellini for our tortellini soup, so I just get the Buitoni mixed cheese tortellini, and it has like spinach and regular pastas. Next, I just got some Chobani yogurts, and these are vanilla. It's just Greek yogurt. It's really good to have as a snack. It's a great dessert also with fruit and granola, or for breakfast, you know, it's just a staple in my fridge. I also discovered this juice recently that I am obsessed with, and this is the Tropicana Tangerine Lemonade juice. It's like $2. It's so freaking good, and this is like, if I'm not in the mood for water, I'm drinking this lemonade. And then I got some snack stuff. So I got these Bear Baked Crunchy chip things. This is strawberry banana chips, and then these are barbecue sweet potato chips. I thought these were interesting. I've never tried them, so we might give them a go. Next, I also got a pack of Skinny Pop, and this is the sea salt and pepper kind. It's so good. Skinny Pop is absolutely delicious. And then lastly, I got like a ton of drinks. So I got some aloe vera, which is aloe vera in pure water, and I got citrus twist and mango zero, which I don't really know the difference. And last but not least, I picked up 2 kombuchas. This is just the Central Market This is just the Central Market organic and raw kombucha. I got raspberry lemon ginger and raspberry hibiscus, and these are both teas. So that is it for my college grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. If you would like to see cooking videos, let me know down below. I feel like I talked about so many dinner ideas and recipes and stuff, or if you guys would like to see lunch ideas, if you're busy at work or school, let me know down below. I'd love to film that for you. Again, if you're new here, you should definitely hit the subscribe button and join the fam. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.